Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to build a true home theater experience without mounting a huge TV on the wall, today's product is something special. This is the NexiGo Aurora Pro Ultra Short Throw 4K Tricolor Laser Projector, and this thing is built to replace your TV completely. The biggest advantage here is ultra short throw technology. You can place the projector just inches from the wall and still get a massive screen up to 120 inches without shadows or complicated ceiling mounts. It's perfect for living rooms, apartments, or dedicated home theaters. At the core is a tricolor RGB laser light engine, which means you get incredibly accurate colors, deeper contrast, and longer lifespan compared to lamp-based projectors. Combined with 4K UHD resolution, the image looks razor sharp, whether you're watching movies, sports, or gaming. Brightness is rated at 2400 ANSI lumens, which is strong enough for daytime viewing when paired with the right screen. NexiGo also includes screen adoption technology, allowing the projector to automatically adjust brightness and color based on your screen type. One standout feature is dynamic laser dimming, which intelligently adjusts laser output in real time. This improves black levels, contrast, and overall depth, especially during dark scenes. For audio and cinematic immersion, you get Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos support, delivering stunning HDR visuals and spatial sound when connected to compatible systems. This package also includes DLP-Link 3D glasses, letting you enjoy full 3D content right out of the box, something most modern projectors don't offer anymore. Add fast autofocus, keystone correction, smart TV features, and premium build quality, and the Aurora Pro becomes a serious laser TV replacement. If you want a massive screen, elite picture quality, and future-proof laser technology, this projector is absolutely worth checking out. You'll find the best current price on Amazon, link in the description. And as always, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more premium tech reviews every day.